Hello everyone, this is Tata Subramanian, and today I'm going to talk about a movie called as The Shining. So, The Shining got released in the year 1980, and the actors were Shelley Duvall and Jack Nicholson. It's okay if you have not heard of them, it's completely fine. And this movie was directed by Stanley Kubrick. Now, personally, I like Stanley Kubrick movies a lot because I particularly like his style of narration and screenplay and many such things. So, basically, Shining is a psychological horror film. Now, horror film you might understand, but what is a psychological horror film? So, in my opinion, psychological horror film is a film which plays more on the human psyche rather than the special effects related to the ghost. So this is definitely a ghost movie as it is horror, but people are not scared of because of the ominous presence of the ghost, but rather the effect that the supernatural things have on the mindset of the people. That is what the scarier part of the movie is. So this is one of the aspects which I really liked about this movie, and hence I am suggesting this to you. So now coming to the further of the other aspects which I liked about it. In the beginning shot itself, there is a wide camera angle which comes, and there are multiple shots throughout the movie which are shot in such a way that you will be in awe of those shots. So there are some very close-up shots and there are some very pan shots. So these are some of the unique shots which the director had used. Now coming to the shooting location, which is another interesting fact. The film takes place in a hotel basically, and it was the location for the shooting was chosen in United States in a place called Oregon. But the interior of the hotel where the shooting takes place has been taken place in England. And due to the extensive production that happened inside the studio set in England, at some point in time the sets got on fire, and luckily everyone escaped, no one was injured, and even more better, almost all the production work was done. So hence there was no damage to the script as whatsoever because most of the things was completed. So this was another interesting aspect I thought I could share with you. Now coming to the plot of the movie, I do not want to reveal a lot of plot about this because otherwise you might not enjoy watching it then. But this movie, apart from being a horror movie, also addresses the fact that how it is like to be claustrophobic. I think we all have experienced this kind of feeling since last year, but this movie very aptly touches on that aspect as well, although it is not a major point. But as a viewer, you can certainly experience that isolation. We all love isolation at some point, I do at some point, but too much of isolation is bad. And I think that is what also movie in some way, in an indirect way, tries to convey. Now, why you should watch this movie? I think definitely for the points which I have mentioned above, you should definitely watch that movie. And apart from that, if you want to watch a horror movie which does not rely on too much of effects to scare you, but rather it gives you an edge based on the reactions of the persons and more of the psychic, it plays on the psychic of a human being, then you should definitely give it a try. So this is one of those movies which will give you that kind of feeling. Trust me, when I was watching it, I was on my edge of my seat, even though there is no special effects here. This movie was released in 1980. So you can imagine that compared to today horror movies, there is not much of an effects. Now another interesting aspect which I found with respect to while making of the movie was there is a blood scene which comes, and there is a lot of effort that went into the making of the blood scene. So it took an year to basically make that scene, and truly it's a spectacular scene if you watch it. I would strongly suggest you to watch this movie. So that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like this, please subscribe to the channel and share it with others if you found this movie to be useful. So this is Tata Subramanian signing off, and I hope you watch this movie in your free time. Thank you.